In this video, I'm going to show you how you can merge your Fortnite accounts on PC, PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4, Xbox, and Nintendo. So here's what you want to do. Use a computer for this and just search for Epic Games. Click on the first website that pops up right here and you will sign in. So click on sign in and you can use the PlayStation Network, Xbox, Nintendo, whichever one is your main account. I'm going to use email here and I'm just going to sign into my Epic Games account using email. Now, once you have signed into your Epic Games account, let me just verify this. Okay, so once you have signed into your account, then you will click on your profile icon in the top right and go into account. Now, you want to go into the linked accounts section and it's going to show us all of the different accounts, Fortnite accounts, which are linked to this one. For example, I have Steam, I had PlayStation, Nintendo accounts connected. So whichever one you want to link to, you will just click on link and merge, and you will need to sign into that specific platform. So I'm going to click on connect account. It's going to take you to this platform or the specific platform. You will then sign into that platform and that is going to merge your Fortnite accounts. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub and I'll see you next time.